Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 52 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Let's review first. 仓鼠 hamster 小狗 puppy 宠物 pet 生气 angry 耐心 patience 激动 excite Today, follow me to learn baby 白痴自私 in Chinese. Baby means mean. Baby mean. It was very mean of you to hit your wife. 你打妻子，太卑鄙了。Baby笔口十回二字旁 baby mean baby next one 白痴白痴 means idiot. Idiot 白痴白 means white. 白痴idiot 白痴 idiot. Next one 自私自私 means selfish. 自私 How selfish of her. 她多么自私呀！自私。selfish 自私。自私。baby mean 白痴白痴白痴 idiot 自私自私自私 selfish. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.